Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Webull account for day trading. First, download the Webull app from your App Store and complete the initial registration process. You'll need to provide personal information and link a bank account. Next, fund your account with at least $25,000 to meet the minimum equity requirement for pattern day trading. This is crucial for avoiding restrictions. Finally, apply for a margin account within the app to fully enable your day trading capabilities. Once registered, linking your bank account is the next step for seamless funding. This allows for quick deposits and withdrawals, which are essential for active trading. Remember, maintaining an account balance above $25,000 is critical to avoid pattern day trader restrictions, allowing you to execute unlimited day trades. Choosing a margin account is also vital, as it provides the necessary leverage and features for effective day trading strategies on Webull. After funding and selecting a margin account, you'll need to enable day trading features within your Webull settings. This often involves acknowledging the inherent risks of frequent trading. Take time to understand these risks thoroughly before proceeding. Webull offers various advanced order types, such as stop-loss and take-profit orders, which are invaluable tools for managing risk and executing your trading strategy effectively. Familiarize yourself with these options. As you begin day trading on Webull, always start with small position sizes. This helps you learn the platform and market dynamics without risking too much capital. Developing a clear, well-defined trading strategy is paramount. Stick to your plan and avoid impulsive decisions. Remember, consistency and discipline are key to long-term success in day trading. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.